little one, I have to leave. But I will always love you, my sweet tiny kitten. Be brave, okay? Remember, you are always in my heart.
I waited by the door, but you were gone. Empty rooms whisper where you belong.